What if your extra income could be more than just a temporary treat or a new gadget? In a world where technology is evolving at an exponential rate, the smart money moves are no longer about spending on fleeting pleasures, but building wealth that lasts. Whether it's AI, digital infrastructure, or personalized data projects, you can use your extra income to secure your future. Stick around, because in this video, we'll dive into the top 5 smart ways to use your extra income wisely. Then you'll have an actionable plan on how to stop spending on fleeting items and instead secure long-term passive income streams. Let's jump in. 1. Buy compute credits or hardware. In today's world, processing power is as essential as electricity. Every AI model, machine learning algorithm, and digital service depends on computing resources. And as industries continue to embrace AI, machine learning, and decentralized applications, the demand for computing power is skyrocketing. This makes it an ideal area for investment, as computing power is no longer just a tool, but a core component of the digital economy. Instead of letting your extra cash sit idle, consider purchasing compute credits from decentralized networks like Render or Cos. These networks offer scalable computing power without the need for large investments. By acquiring credits, you're securing a stake in a growing digital economy, with the potential for future gains as these networks become more integrated across industries. For example, if you're working on a tech project, these credits provide immediate access to processing power at a fraction of the cost of building your own data centers. This allows startups and small businesses to compete with larger organizations without the overhead. You can also lease these credits to companies needing computing power for AI, blockchain, or gaming, creating a passive income stream as they pay for the resources. This model of decentralized computing is transforming how industries handle data, allowing for more flexible, cost-effective solutions. As the technology becomes more widespread, owning compute credits provides an opportunity to profit from the growing need for computational resources. 2. Fund a proprietary data project. Data is a valuable commodity, but it's not just any data. It's unique, verified data that holds the most value. While generic data floods the internet, specialized, niche data is in high demand. If you want to make your extra income work harder, fund a proprietary data project. Whether it's a niche survey, market research, or purchasing a specialized data set, you're creating long-term assets that can be monetized. Investing in proprietary data projects allows you to create exclusive knowledge that's difficult for others to replicate. In industries like consulting, content creation, or product development, having access to specialized data can set you apart from the competition. For example, if you fund research into a specific consumer behavior pattern that no one else is studying, you can offer those insights to companies or use them to refine your own business strategies. This data isn't just valuable for you now. It continues to pay off by providing you a unique edge in an increasingly data-driven world. As businesses and industries become more reliant on specialized insights, your investment in data will continue to grow in value. Additionally, proprietary data can be leveraged for strategic partnerships or licensing agreements, opening doors for passive income streams. The value of unique, verified data also extends to enhancing decision-making processes, helping businesses make more informed, data-backed choices. As more companies prioritize data-driven solutions, your investment in specialized data will position you as a key player in shaping industry trends and driving innovation. 3. Acquire legacy digital real estate. Digital real estate, domain names, and social media handles has become just as valuable as physical real estate. Owning a well-established domain name or social media handle can provide you with credibility, authority, and visibility that would take years to build from scratch. These digital assets appreciate over time, just like physical property. Purchasing legacy digital real estate means you're acquiring an online asset that already has built-in value. For example, a domain that has been around for over a decade ranks higher on search engines and draws more traffic. Social media handles with a long-standing history carry loyal followings, giving you instant credibility and a jump start on any project you're launching. Instead of spending your extra income on depreciating consumer goods, consider investing in digital assets that have the potential to grow in value. As businesses and individuals continue to transition online, digital properties will continue to increase in worth, providing you with long-term benefits. Moreover, Digital real estate offers the added advantage of being easily transferable and scalable, giving you the flexibility to monetize these assets in various ways. Whether it's through selling the domain, licensing the social media handle, or leveraging them for brand partnerships, the potential for passive income is significant. As more industries embrace the digital landscape, the demand for established online assets will only rise, making this an increasingly lucrative investment opportunity. 4. Invest in anti-fragile infrastructure. The world is increasingly interconnected, which means disruptions, whether digital or physical, are more likely. But instead of fearing these disruptions, why not prepare for them? Investing in anti-fragile infrastructure can help you withstand and even grow stronger when faced with challenges. Anti-fragile infrastructure includes systems like satellite internet backups, solar-powered energy storage, and offline security measures. These systems aren't just about protection. They improve over time when faced with disruptions. For example, investing in solar panels not only reduces your reliance on the grid, but also protects you from energy price volatility and outages. Similarly, using high-security offline systems ensures that your data remains safe in case of cyber threats. By investing in anti-fragile infrastructure, you're ensuring that no matter what challenges the future holds, whether an energy crisis, cyber attack, or natural disaster, you'll be prepared. This is a smart way to use your extra income to ensure your systems remain operational and resilient. Additionally, anti-fragile infrastructure doesn't just safeguard against immediate threats, but also creates long-term stability. It allows you to adapt to unforeseen circumstances, turning potential setbacks into opportunities for growth and innovation. By integrating redundancy and self-sustaining systems, you're not only securing your future, but also increasing the efficiency of your operations over time. Moreover, these investments often come with environmental benefits, helping you reduce your carbon footprint while making your infrastructure more resilient. This forward-thinking approach ensures that, in an ever-evolving world, your system can thrive despite the uncertainties that lie ahead. 5. Secure verified human credentials. As AI technology evolves, proving that you are a verified human is becoming increasingly important. With deepfake technology and automation on the rise, being able to demonstrate that you're a real, trusted human professional can set you apart from the competition. More high-level job opportunities, contracts, and even investments now require verified human credentials. Investing in professional identity verification services or joining elite industry associations can position you as a trusted expert in your field. In highly competitive industries, these credentials can make all the difference when it comes to landing lucrative opportunities. For example, if you're in the tech industry, having verified human credentials might be the key to securing high-end contracts that require authenticity and trustworthiness. As automation continues to increase, human verification will become an even more valuable asset. By investing in these credentials now, you're ensuring that you remain a trusted professional in a world where AI is increasingly taking over many tasks. As AI technology continues to advance, the need for authentic human verification grows. This is not just about staying ahead of automation, but also about creating a trusted presence in an environment where digital identities are often questioned. By demonstrating your verified status, you establish a strong, credible reputation that can give you an edge over competitors who may not have taken the necessary steps to validate their identity. Furthermore, the rise of AI-driven tools in sectors like customer service and content creation only amplifies the need for real human expertise. Being recognized as a verified human professional can help you secure opportunities that require more than just automated solutions. In this rapidly changing landscape, those who invest in proving their authenticity are not just keeping pace with the future, they are shaping it. And there you have it, 5 smart ways to use your extra income wisely. From purchasing computer credits to securing your professional identity, these strategies are designed to help you build wealth, secure assets, and position yourself for success. Instead of spending your extra income on fleeting pleasures, think about making it work for you. The future is unpredictable, but by using your extra income to invest in these strategies, you're ensuring that no matter what happens, you're prepared. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more tips on making smart money moves. We'll see you in the next video.